Hello, trading is closed today, September 23rd, 2014, and I'm Tennant. As usual, we'll start with yesterday's call. I predicted a gap under the day's low. I expected it to hit the target of 1987.05 from the mejt system. I said at or just below that level there should be support, so that one worked. Let's see what happened today. In the afternoon, there was a rally. mejt said it was a false move. It said it would retrace to this thick blue line, which it did. There's the white dot. It said the drop was also false, and it would hit the line again, which it did. There's the white dot. In the morning, it said the whole drop was false, and we're going to retrace to 1993.33, most likely by Thursday morning. There's always a chance, if this is a major change in trend, that it could be a false signal, but let's see what other evidence there is that it probably isn't. This is a wall of selling into the close. We closed at the absolute low of the day, whereas just prior to the low, we hadn't been able to make any progress under the initial drop. As I've said previously, professionals aren't going to wait till the end of the day just before the close when liquidity dries up and then sell with abandon. If you look at the futures market, the selling continued all the way after the close on the biggest volume of the day, huge volume, no pullbacks at all, unrelenting selling, and once it was over, it seems there's no one left to sell. This is a 15-minute chart. There's a DeMark signal to buy, sequential buy. We barely violated the stop, which is this dotted white line. The stops on these are loose, and they need to go one tick more to be validated. In other words, if we gap up tomorrow, the violation does not count, and there's a buy signal. The commonest occurrence when you have a wall of selling into the close and the close at the low of the day is that we gap up. I'm expecting us to gap up tomorrow, and I think by Thursday morning we could hit 1993.33. There's a risk of failure of this call, and if we undercut the futures low, which was 1968.50 in futures, I think the market could be in for further trouble. I'm not expecting that. I want to gap up in the rally, but we'll have to see what the morning brings, and that's today's call.